Where's Miss Olivia? What? Show me how you eat your tortellinis. With a spoon. Olivia. Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia? There she is. Where's the baby? Huh? There you are. Where did Olivia go? I don't see her. There she is. She's so funny. Olivia, where are you? I don't see you anywhere. You're so silly. Oh, there you are. What's a kitty say? What? What's a kitty say? What's your kitty cat's name? Who's your kitty? Where's your kitty? Say Sophia. Sophia. Call for Sophia. Call Sophia. You're not going to call for Sophia? Where is she? Call for her. Sophia. Sophia. No? Where are you getting those tortellinis from? Say Sophia. No? You don't want to? Rhea. Sophia. Is that a good tortellini? You having some garlic bread? Done? Daddy will be home soon. Yeah? Did you drop your bread? Is your bread like your phone? Oh, where'd your bread go? Is it behind you? Ow. Yeah, garlic toast really doesn't feel good on your back, huh? Are you saving that for later? Really? Yeah. What are you doing with bread? Why do you have toast on your shoulder? You're so silly. You're funny. You make me up. Look at your pretty blue eyes. Give Mommy a wink. Good job. You giving me a wink? Are you done eating? Are you finished? All done? Are you still eating?
I'm done.
You're done? Okay, don't dump that upside down. Are you all done? Uh-oh. Is it bath time? You done? Are you done? Would you like to take a bath? Okay. Look. Show me what's inside your bowl. What's inside the bowl? Show it to Mama. Show Mama what's in the bowl. Is that your dinner that's left? Wow, you did really good. You ate a whole bunch of tortellinis. Oh, you want to put those in here too? Okay, thanks. Thanks for helping clean up. Okay, we'll put that in here too. Do you think maybe you should have a bath now? Bath time?